Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
It is Friday evening. The Miller family has game night every Friday. Mom puts snacks on the table. There are chips, cookies, and juice. Dad brings the board games from the closet. They have many games to choose from. Emma is 10 years old. She wants to play her favorite game. Can we play the animal game? Emma asks. Her brother Tom is 8 years old. I want to play the car racing game. Tom says. Mom and Dad smile at each other. Let us play both games tonight, Dad says. The children are very happy. They sit around the big table. First, they play the animal game. Each player has a small animal piece. Emma chooses the blue dolphin. Tom takes the red lion. They roll the dice and move their pieces. Emma wins the first game. She jumps up and cheers. Then they play the car racing game. Tom wins this game. Everyone laughs and has a good time.
Learn with LingoStories.app.